Hello everyone, welcome to Techno for All. Today we are going to see about the latest model released by HuggingFace, SmolLM2. This is the HuggingFace models collection page, and we can see that not only they have released 1.7 billion parameter model, but also lesser than that. This is the model page, and it has all the detailed information about the model and spaces using this model. You can go to the HuggingFace space to try out this model for free. But now we are going to use this model via transformers pipeline in a Python program. I was able to run this code with a CPU of 12 RAM, but it was slower than a GPU machine. So let us connect to T4 GPU. Now, let us run these cells. I have set device as 0 to utilize the available GPU. The model will be downloaded, and it may take some time as it is around 3 GB. Once done, we shall run the remaining cells too. You can later try this example with 360 million and 135 million model as well to check how they are performing. Here in this example, we are setting the context as a Python code generator and the user is asking code for Fibonacci series. Let us wait for it to generate the output. When I used CPU, it took almost 1 minute for the text generation, but with GPU, it is just taking around 5 to 10 seconds. As you can see, Google Colab provides free T4 GPU, and the model would not take more than 2 GB RAM, so this is perfect to run small language model. Now, execution is done. It has generated the code perfectly. For a small language model, it is doing very good, and there are articles quoting this model can be used on smaller devices as well. Thank you. See you in the next video.